look, they're not puffy. Well, this one, I just pulled that from up there. They're not puffy or anything, y'all. Don't they look amazing? So happy. Still just oil and water, but I put the clips in the middle and at the end, and it looks so good. So I'm about to do the rest of her hair. I'm gonna let y'all see a couple of them. So I'm just gonna spray this. I hope the water that I spray on these don't mess with those down there. So we just put oil on it like that. Take it, and then I just take those loose hairs and I wrap them around and twist all at the same time. Wrap and twist. See how puffy it is? You just take those hairs and you wrap them around the twist. That's why I learned, y'all, from watching all these YouTube videos. You see? And it looks like that. I still don't understand how they do this though without clips. Like, I don't know how. I'm just gonna clip it to the rest of them. I'm gonna clip to these down here, because you're gonna have to get under the dryer. Anyway, there. Just make sure it's soaking wet. Twist it up. Yeah, we didn't have enough clips, so we had to do the bottom half first and then this top part. Happy Labor Day, y'all. Yeah, that's why we couldn't go and get no clips, because nobody was open. I think I need 3 clips on this one. There we go. These are getting pretty long. You might want to push your towel around your neck. You don't care about that shirt? Oh. All right, y'all, so we are done, so. This is tight. Okay. Turn this way. Turn. Take it back. Make sure I want to put it up front, obviously. Turn.